on the blue corner, weighing in at 52.2 kilograms in the strawweight division, ladies and gentlemen, for a co-main event, Shoshmita. Fighting on the red corner, weighing in at 52.2 kilograms in the strawweight division, ladies and gentlemen, in the co-main event, Shalu. And the referee in charge for this bout, Mr. Andrew Candy.
Ladies, we've been over the rules. Keep this a clean fight. Obey my instructions at all times. When I say stop, stop. If you want to touch gloves, do it now. Come on fighting. God bless.
Referee Andrew said keep it a clean fight, but I know for sure, looking at what happened at Bhavnagar, especially when Sushmita went against a brave fighter, she's not going to keep it clean. She's going to make it messy. She made it dirty actually.
Exactly, that fight was a banger. If you're interested in striking, if you love the striking game, it's a masterclass.
Yes, and Sushmita is making her pro debut today in the blue corner representing Nepal, and she takes on India's fan favorite Shalu Sharma in the red corner.
This is also Sushmita's pro debut. It's a pro MMA debut.
To give a brief introduction on Sushmita representing Nepal here, she's Nepal's WBC Muay Thai champion. She's been kickboxing, she's been training in Muay Thai at her coach, which is Sakyant. And tonight at Ronin FC3, she transitions to professional MMA and she takes on Shalu Sharma, who's 1-1 as a professional.
Shalu's a pro MMA fighter. She's also competed in grappling events, in the AJP India Tour, in the white belt division. She's got a gold in that division. So she definitely has the advantage in grappling, I feel. Both of them are gauging range. Once that is complete, they're going to engage.
Yeah, keep that. Move to your right.
Oh, just look at
Punch
that.
by
Superman
Sushmita.
punch.
And Shalu returns fire with a spinning back fist.
That's what I mean, guys. Once they gauge the range, it's over. They're going to have a lot of these rapid fire exchanges.
He's moving into power.
So Sushmita is a very, very technical striker.
I mean, we can say so because we have seen Sushmita at the previous event, but we've not seen much of Shalu Sharma, and hence, not trying to sound biased, but
the conclusion comes from there.
That's what the reality is.
Maybe if we get to see some of grappling from Shalu. Oh, Sushmita lands blows.
Sushmita barges in, makes it dirty.
Sushmita underhook.
Before punching her because...
Showboating by Sushmita. Shalu has locked in a perfect body triangle.
Sushmita, just control the hands and mark.
Sushmita enjoying this.
Yes.
Oh man, that must have hurt. Look at the smile on Sushmita's face.
Oh,
she's enjoying it. She's like,
She's
this
enjoying
is
it.
striker versus grappler kind of a feat, man.
She's like, call an ambulance, but not for me.
Control the hand. Double unders.
This is supposed to be a very dangerous position, guys, for the person who
But I
has his back
think it's,
taken.
at the moment,
It's going in the opposite direction. She's completely twisted around the meaning of this position.
Turn kar, uske andar turn.
There,
Underhook.
the body triangle
Right hand underhook.
is broken now.
बहुत अच्छा. चोक देख के. सुष्मिता, अब left underhook. Left underhook डाल अब. थोड़ा पीछे हो जाओ. Please थोड़ा पीछे हो जाओ.
Sushmita proving to be difficult to be taken down. 30 seconds, guys.
Less than 30 seconds to this fight.
You see a takedown.
Sorry, less than 30 seconds to this round.
She's gonna look at her coach like, okay, come on, you
But
need
I
to
think
tell
that
me
has
what to
also
do.
exposed Shalu's game plan. She wants to go for a finish. She wants to submit.
Exactly. Quick replay, guys, for you.
Well, let's look at the action replay. That was the comfortable spot for Sushmita. She was stuck there and throwing in those punches.
Now go. No problem, no problem. Easy. Easy pen. Pen kar lo ki pen.
Trying to find range.
Na na pen kar dela inja. 1 minute done. Pen mat only pen. No.
Shalu goes for the takedown. Single leg
Under hook,
transitions to the
right hand
back.
under hook. Yeah. Wapas under hook.
That actually should be her game plan, to take her down.
Left hand under hook if you can. Okay.
If you notice, Rahul, anytime Shalu has her in a clinch, Sushmita has a machine gun in her
And
hands.
she's throwing in those
He
punches.
lands those bombs.
Short strikes and
Right the
actually they
hand,
hurt.
wait. Sushmita, break the grip. Up down, yes.
Good knees
Yes,
by
keep going, keep
Shalu
going. Break
here.
the grip. Break the grip and turn
Trying
into
to damage those quads and calves.
Break the grip. Break the grip. No problem. Take your time to break the grip.
She's with Brave now.
Elbow mark. Do elbow mark.
Oh man, the crucifix
man.
elbows.
This
One of the
could
best.
be the
Easy,
beginning
nothing,
of
it's
the
nothing.
end.
It's nothing.
She's locked in a
Shalu
very
manages
tight
to
crucifix.
head over.
She's landing in those
Under hook
short,
leg. Nice,
devastating
nice, nice.
strikes.
Those elbows are
Under hook
really
ruck.
serious.
Under hook ruck, bus. Clear
Trying to
the
lock
hand.
in
Under hook
Americana.
ruck.
Can
Bas.
Sushmita get into that?
Okay. Turn your right
Again,
knee
a couple
down.
of elbows.
Sushmita,
Shalu
right knee
defending
down.
really well from those elbows.
Right knee down.
Using her legs. She's
Right knee
trying to
mat
break
पे
the
डाल.
momentum somehow because she knows it is a dangerous position.
सुष्मिता 3 मिनट हो गया कोच नहीं है ओके सुष्मिता अंडर हुक रखना है टर्न 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 अपना सर इस तरफ मेरी तरफ ला सर बस और सर नीचे अब हाथ चला यस यस
Sushmita landing those big shots.
elbow
Hurt a lot.
In a crucifix. She
Sushmita,
trying
1
the
minute,
Americana
relax.
again. She lets go.
1 minute, take your time, you're winning.
Very intelligent
Mar,
fighting
mar,
here
elbow.
by
Nice.
Sushmita. You know, she's
Elbow,
not going in for the
elbow,
crucifix,
elbow.
but she's
Under
landing
hook,
those
under
short
hook.
strikes.
Head
And they
low,
actually
head
hurt a
low,
lot.
head down.
They hurt a lot.
Exactly.
Head down. Yeah. Beautiful elbow.
She's holding
Again.
that position
Again.
and landing
There,
again.
there goes
man,
elbows,
someone's
man.
cut open.
There's a big cut.
Someone's cut open, and that's Shalu Sharma.
There's a big cut on
Head
Shalu.
low.
She's
Wait.
bleeding.
क्या कह रहा हूँ मैं?
It's
Head
the
low.
elbows, man. The elbows are
ओए,
blades
उसका
when you
पैर कैसे
talk
हटा?
about Muay Thai.
सुष्मिता उसका पैर कैसे हटा?
Sushmita is a
Shalu
WBC
with that
Muay Thai
पैर
champion,
कैसे हटा
elbows.
उसका?
and it shows.
Turn कर. सुन 1 मिनट है सुष्मिता
There's
अंडर हुक
bloodshed
डाल
on the
अंडर हुक
mat.
डाल पहले नहीं अंडर हुक डाल सुष्मिता
Referee Andrew
नो प्रॉब्लम
keeping a very close eye
नो
to this
प्रॉब्लम
fight.
मारो
Few of those
नो
short strikes
प्रॉब्लम
again.
हेड लो
She
कुछ
has a
नहीं है हेड लो
triangle.
निकलेगा
Shalu has a triangle. It's
तभी मैं
not
कह रहा हूँ
tight
हेड
enough.
नीचे रखो कुछ
It's
नहीं
not
है
tight
सुष्मिता
enough. There's no finish from
अंडर
here,
हुक लो
and
और एल्बो
Sushmita
चला
easily escapes it.
खत्म कर दे फाइट अब माउंट नहीं जाएंगे हम यहीं रहेंगे नी ऑन बेली जाना है नी ऑन बेली जा लेफ्ट नी पेट पे डाल
Well, that's short strikes by Shalu.
Oh man,
सुष्मिता उस तरफ जा
Oh man, she's landing
Okay,
elbows
next
even
तरफ
from
जा.
that
Landing elbows.
position.
मार
from that crazy position.
क्लियर द लेग सुष्मिता क्लियर द लेग या गुड अब वापस आ और मार 10 seconds to go सुष्मिता माउंट में आ जा और मार
Oh man,
माउंट में आना है, आ जा और मार
this has become a bloody fight.
beautiful work wait breathe सुष्मिता now relax
She's landing,
stop
saved
Stop.
by the bell.
Oh man, that was round number 2. What a dominant!
What a
and,
round,
And
what
as I
a
said,
round.
as the round began, Rohan, I said, she's not going to keep it clean. You know, she cut open her
Definitely.
opponent in round number 2.
Guys,
Medalist in the white belt division. White belt division. Does
White
AJP
belt
have?
division.
Okay, maybe
It does have
beginners
it. In the
division.
India tour it
But
does
I
have.
think she wanted to capitalize
this
on her
takedown.
grappling But then, you know,
Sushmita took that plan and she just threw it out.
she wanted to
man.
capitalize on her grappling, but then now the moment she's closing distance and going in for those takedowns, or maybe for securing the position, that's when Sushmita is unleashing the inner beast.
Exactly. The magic is in the little strikes. People underestimate it a lot. It's going to hurt. It's going to distract you. You'll not be able to make your transition. And the elbows, man. The blades.
Sushmita, move to your left side. No, no, no. No knees right now. Left side, left side.
Some cage work.
कुछ नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है. अब निकल यहाँ से. उस तरफ. पीछे निकल.
Oh, Sushmita with some crisp striking. It's a little pause.
Equipment malfunction, probably. No.
And they're reset.
Pressure. Stop the leg. Feints. Yeah, very good. Sushmita moves.
The Superman punch again.
Sushmita side to side. एक जगह खड़ा
Shalu
नहीं
looks
रहना.
slow in this
Yes,
round.
there
She
we
was
go.
pretty fast in round number 1 and 2, but she looks a bit slow, I think.
को नीचे push करो. Yes.
Oh, big uppercut. Not sure if that landed, but that was a big attempt.
Good land.
Right hand.
right.
Oh,
An axe kick.
kick to the
Again,
face.
right hand. Only boxing, Sushmita. Only boxing. हाँ, ये फेंट बहुत अच्छा है.
Little
इसके
bit of
पीछे right
feinting
hand.
going on.
No problem. Yes. Again. Pressure forward. Don't take back steps.
Oh, spinning back kick.
निकल.
Spinning back kick
Okay, good.
by
अंदर रुक जा.
Sushmita.
और
Against the
निकल. उस
cage.
तरफ निकलना. बस. अब छोड़ उसको.
Sushmita reverses it.
Production team, can we have the timer back up? There is no timer on the screen.
मारना है ना तुम आज. सुष्मिता. Left elbow. Wait. सुष्मिता. Hey, left. This side. Yeah, elbow. Frame across the face. Throw the elbow.
Can Shalu reverse this position?
Underhook.
She can transition to the back. She does that. Oh, they get reset for cage grabbing. Sushmita gets a warning for a cage grab. Referee Andrew Gande keeping
2
it clean.
minutes to go. Stay in the center.
He's the
Don't
only
let her
one in
grab
the
you.
cage who's keeping it clean.
Yeah, move forward. Get closer. Good lad.
Another Superman punch followed by a solid body kick.
फिर से. Yeah. Again, that leg is done. But set it up with the hand, Sushmita, please. 2-3 right low. 1-2 right low.
Shalu looks to be a little
Your
gassed
call.
out.
But set up the kicks with
I
the
hope
hand.
she's being able to grapple now. Needs to get into that.
Nikal, right ko nikal.
It's a head kick.
Minute to go. 10 seconds.
Last 10 seconds
10 seconds.
to this co-main event.
Couple of
High kick.
spinning
Let's
strikes
go.
by both of them. Shalu going for the takedown. Saved by the bell.
Man, what a fantastic fight. Hats off to both these ladies
Both of them putting on a
For-
show for us.
for putting up a jewel of a fight in the co-main event at Ronin FC3. Sushmita from Nepal transitioning to professional MMA for the first time.
Sushmita Thapa, guys, training out of Sakyant, Nepal. And Warriors coach Islam, Mr. Khagendra. On the other hand, we have Shalu Sharma representing India.
Rohan, even at the last Ronin, we saw Sushmita take on a very ferocious fighter who signed with a bigger promotion.
Brave CF.
But that was again an easy money fight for Sushmita. Let's check out the action replay. That's the forward pressure that
Superman
Shalu
punch
wanted
is
to
coming
have,
in.
but was defunct by strikes by Sushmita.
You can check it out. Every single entry Shalu tried to make, Sushmita punished that entry. There's that elbow, man.
Ladies and gentlemen, announcing your winner for the co-main event in Rollin FC 3. And your winner by judges' unanimous decision from the blue corner, Sushmita!
Sushmita Thapa gets it done for Nepal. What a fight.
Give it up, make some noise for that. What a show she put down.
Sometimes my son says, easy peasy,
All the way
lemon
from
squeezy.
Nepal.
And this was a
That's-
true
that-
example.
That's what Sushmita is
This is Rollin
defined.
FC 3. Yeah, that's an emotional moment for her. Absolutely fine. We got a coach. It's a debut fight today in the pro night, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up, make some noise for Sushmita. Thank you so much. Priyaji.
From Muay Thai to MMA, what a performance, and many congratulations on becoming the first female professional MMA fighter from Nepal. Oh my God, what a elbow! Oh, you were laughing. Say something.
Hey everyone, namaste. And I wanna say thank you so much to Ronin FC. Namaskara Bangalore. Yes, I wanna say thank you so much to Ronin FC for giving me this opportunity. And this is my second time at Ronin FC. Thank you so much, Gagan sir, Prem sir, and his team for trusting me and giving me this opportunity. And special thanks to my coach. He did everything actually. Yeah. Thank you so much, everyone. And Jai Nepal!
Many congratulations and thank you so much.
Thanks to Priyati for being so nice with me. She's so real, like such a strong and inspirational woman. Thank you so much.